Hi and welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's garlic prawn pies made in the pie maker. We're only going to make 2 pies to show you how to do it. First of all, we cut the tops and the bases out of 1 sheet of puff pastry and line our Sunbeam Pie Magic 4 pie maker with the bases. Now we will be using fresh cooked prawns. I've already peeled those. We'll be using mascarpone cheese, mayonnaise, parsley, spring onions, a little bit of roasted garlic paste and some potato flour to thicken it. Now once we've got our bases lined, put the tops to one side whilst we prepare the rest of the ingredients. To a bowl we add our mascarpone cheese, our roasted garlic paste, our mayonnaise, freshly cracked pepper, freshly chopped parsley and some spring onions using both the greens and the white bit, about a half a teaspoon of potato flour. Now this is actually raw but it will cook during the baking process and will thicken the pie mixture. To show you how to peel our prawn, pull off the head, take off a couple of the segments including the legs and then squeeze the tail out. Give them a rough chop. We don't want them minced right up. We're using cooked prawns because it's going to be a lot easier to make sure that seafood is actually cooked, and it won't overcook in this recipe either. Don't leave the chunks too big because if you pull a piece of the prawn out from your pie you could burn your lip with it. Now once it's all mixed together we just divide that equally into the 2 pies and pop our lids on. Close the lid and we bake them for 5 to 7 minutes, just depending on the power of your pie maker and how cooked you like your crust. But here we are 7 minutes later. They're miles too hot to try and eat now, but just let them settle for a little while, turn the pie maker off, and in a few minutes you'll be able to wipe it out clean with a damp cloth. Now we're just going to get a serrated knife here, cut our pie in half to show you what it looks like inside. You should have a creamy garlic flavoured sauce surrounding large pieces of prawns, and there are only 5 prawns per pie, so it's a pretty economical meal. And there you have it, Cheekyricho Cooking's garlic prawn pies made in the Sunbeam Pie Magic pie maker. Hope you enjoyed this little cooking demonstration. If you'd like to see more interesting recipes or perhaps check out some more of our crazy pie maker ideas, which we have a full playlist including everything that you could imagine you could cook in a pie maker and then some, just check out our Cheekyricho Cooking channel, and don't forget to please subscribe and do come back and visit us again soon. We've got so much more to show you and we're uploading lots of videos. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.